Can extinct animals come back to life? Explore fascinating stories of species once lost to history but revived through science and nature's wonders, proving that extinction isn't always the end. Woolly mammoth. The woolly mammoth, an ancient elephant species, lived during the Pleistocene epoch from about 700,000 to 4,000 years ago. On California's Channel Islands, where resources were limited, some mammoths evolved into smaller forms. Woolly mammoths played a crucial role in keeping the planet cooler. They were similar in size to modern elephants, standing 9 to 11 feet tall with tusks up to 16 feet long. These large, hairy animals adapted to cold environments and lived in family groups, feeding on grasses and vegetation. Their presence helped maintain the Arctic as a vast grassland by knocking down trees and packing snow, which kept the permafrost intact. Without them, the Arctic has warmed, causing permafrost to melt and release carbon. Colossal Biosciences aims to bring back the woolly mammoth within the next decade, potentially restoring the Arctic ecosystem and helping slow climate change. This effort holds a strong chance of success. Tasmanian tiger. The Tasmanian tiger, also known as the thylacine, is a fascinating extinct creature that roamed from Papua New Guinea to Tasmania about 4,000 years ago. Resembling a mix of a wolf, coyote, tiger, and kangaroo, it thrived until dingoes outcompeted it on the mainland. In Tasmania, the thylacine survived longer, with the last known individual, Benjamin, dying in 1936 at Hobart Zoo. Sadly, human ignorance led to their extinction, as they were hunted due to a mistaken belief they threatened livestock. Despite this, some believe thylacines may still exist in remote areas. Excitingly, the company Colossal is working to bring back the thylacine using DNA from museum samples and genetic editing. This effort aims to restore Tasmania's ecosystem, which has suffered in the absence of this apex predator. If successful, thylacines might roam the wild again, potentially in our lifetime. Pyrenean ibex. An interesting species, the Pyrenean ibex, once thrived in the mountain range between Spain and France. This agile animal, capable of navigating unstable cliffs with ease, was targeted for conservation in the late 20th century. Despite these efforts, the last known Pyrenean ibex, a female named Celia, died in 2000, marking the species' extinction. The Pyrenean ibex faced intense hunting pressure for its meat, and as a trophy due to its distinctive horns. Additionally, diseases likely transmitted from domestic livestock contributed to its decline. Although a cloning attempt was made in 2003 using preserved tissue from Celia, the resulting clone died shortly after birth due to lung abnormalities. Despite past failures, advancements in genetic technology offer hope. With ongoing research and better understanding of related species, there is potential for the Pyrenean ibex to be revived in the future. Guaga. Next is the quagga, a unique zebra subspecies that lived in South Africa until it went extinct in the late 19th century. This animal was distinct for its coat pattern, with stripes only on the front half of its body and a brown, unstriped rear. Unlike other zebras, the quagga looked like a blend of zebra and horse, making it a fascinating creature. The quagga's extinction was primarily due to overhunting by European settlers who targeted them for their meat and hides. With their limited range, their population quickly declined. The last known quagga, a female named Lady, died in captivity at the Natra Artis Magistra Zoo in Amsterdam on August 12, 1883. The Quagga Project aims to bring back the quagga through selective breeding. By breeding zebras with fewer stripes, they are gradually recreating the quagga's appearance. This effort hopes to restore a visual semblance of this lost subspecies. Passenger pigeon. This fascinating bird, the passenger pigeon, was once the most abundant in North America, characterized by its blue-gray plumage, pinkish-orange underparts, and sparkling neck feathers. Numbering in the billions, they flocked in immense groups, often darkening the sky. Their rapid extinction in the late 19th century was due to extensive hunting, habitat destruction, and disruption of migratory patterns. Despite their once vast population, The last confirmed passenger pigeon, a female named Martha, died in captivity at the Cincinnati Zoo in 1914. Passenger pigeons played a crucial role in shaping forest ecology by scattering seeds from their fruit and nut diet. Their loss devastated ecosystems. Efforts like the Revive and Restore project aim to bring them back through selective breeding and genetic engineering. However, the challenge remains. To reintroduce them successfully, a considerable population with genetic diversity is necessary for their survival. That's all for this video.